Y'all know what the fuck it is. Y'all know what we do. Live in the paint right now, reporting live from GJ on the 4-minute time frame. And I'm currently up 47K. You feel me? Live shit only. Broker I trust liquid charts. If you want to sign up, link in the bio. You can see here that I entered, and just to kind of show you how much pips I'm floating this year, because this year it's all about the pips. The saving grace is all about the pips. You can see I have my stop loss set. This is the predetermined stop loss area. So really at 20 lots, I was really only risking 5K. You know what I'm saying? Across 3 positions, so that's roughly around 15K maybe, which is basically when I'm up now, 1 position off of 3. So getting back into the charts though, caught this entry around the 750 QP. You can see if I hover above this, you can see my entries are at the 750. You can see where the stop loss is set at, which we're far away from this now. But yeah, and just to get into the sauce on how I went ahead and caught this trade, literally last time I bought GJ, and I told you I wrote it up when I had my last big day, I waited for the move to come back down, do that retest. It came back down here and found this area, this area of support. Keep in mind though, this is just the 20-minute time frame that I'm elaborating all these details on, but if I was supposed to switch to the 1 hour, you'd be able to kind of understand a little bit better. We made the higher high, we came back down here, we made a higher low, we had a retest of structure, and then we took off. Literally. Now, the goal was obviously to hold it up until here, but as you can see with this overall move, we came a bit higher with the fact, and then we kind of came back and dropped into this area. So I'm really supposed to be holding it up here into the negative 27%, which is why I didn't get out yet. But based on where I'm up as far as for pips as of right now, this is just like way more than enough, holding it from right here and holding it past the 0%. And I really truly do a move like this because this is how fibs is supposed to kind of play out. As you can see, I have a 1 hour fib, right? And this is all just based off of structure on how I really caught this move, right? This is the higher low that I just made ahead and turned it into green. This is the higher high up here, right? Which is where your 0% of your fib goes. And then your point C, which is going to be, where you make market structure, boom, right around here. So this is basically where I got down, going down into my entry time frame to kind of show y'all what I saw. Pretty much with this move, as we came down from here, we kind of went from zone to zone, and I have these 2 zones marked off because they were previous higher high areas. So I'm expecting price to be affected on the right-hand side based on what's happening on the left, right? In other words, you got to look left to get right. And you can kind of see price kind of came. We just rejected the 500 QP, and we were just rejecting. Then we kind of push up, did this. And I entered this move, I caught this move in my Discord like around 2 a.m., right? Let me pull up Discord real quick. Let me make sure so I'm not capping. Yeah, I caught this move literally, mark my words, yep. I'm literally looking at it now. Matter of fact, let me share my screen so I can see, because no capping this thing. Where is Discord? Why is Discord not an option? It's because I don't got it pulled up. Trading view. Hold on. Switch to my big head. Switch it back. There we go. Discord. All right. So here's my Discord. Got a lot going on in here. I don't know why it looks so fugly. Maybe I need to make it bigger. I don't know. Make it bigger. See if it looks better. Anyways, called this move like around 2 a.m. Told them to buy. Gave them the TPs and everything. After, which was 20 minutes later, I went ahead and gave them the stop loss based on the move briefing. But around that time, basically where we were at with it was, I'll show you. Let me switch it back to the charts. Oh, hold on. This shit's acting Bojangles again. Hold on. Switch it back to full. All right, there we go. I'm actually up more now. I'm up 48. Damn near almost 50. You know what I'm saying? So shit. Like I said, I kind of should hold to the TP. But let me jump back into why I took this trade. Hold on. So anyways, price kind of came back here. Now you see this little green line right here? This green line is where buyers took over on the lower time frames. I'm trying to figure out what time frame was this. Was it the 20-minute? No, I had to be like the 7-minute or the 15. Yep, right around here. It was literally for the 7-minute. Buyers took over right around here. You see where buyers literally came and did that engulfing and then we retest? Buyers took over here. So for my stop loss area, this is like the range of my stop loss. So when I got in the move, like around 2 something, we obviously did this and we literally just rejected around this time the whole day. And we never hit stop loss. I even gave my stop loss like more breathing room than usual. If we go back to liquid real quick and let's go home. You can see that my stop loss area is set at 193.24. At 193.24. So again, the risk was a little bit more risk on wise because 324 is like a little bit more so down here. So I had like a little bit more in the range of pips, but in all reality, my stop losses when I do call them for my team, I keep them small, like around like 17 pips. So boom, got in the move, and from here is just market structure. Like literally just waiting. Market structure made a high point during this session, so I know by like at least New York session we should be able to get the retest and the continuation. You can see we kind of did that quite fine there. And I mean, this is like what trading is all about: just reading price action, just flowing with price action. This was simply one of my biggest days of 2025 so far, and this is just the beginning. We're just heating up. We're just heating up, like literally. But this move is pretty smooth. Again, been in this move since 2 a.m. So from 2 a.m. all the way up now, shit, you do the math on how much hours it is. You know, more than what? Let me see. 2 to 2. What time is it now? My time? Let me see. I think it's like 5. So 12, 13, 14. Yeah, like around 14, 15 hours being in this trade. And it's not bad. Like I said, about much hours to make damn near 46K is not bad at all. So it is what you make it. Again, going back to the higher time frame, just so you can see, I do honestly have no reason to get out this move. I can literally hold it up until the negative 27 or the negative 61.8%. But I'm trying to lock in these profits. I'm trying to keep it going. And I'm trying to just miss it. But long term, based on how GJ is pushing with market structure and everything, when we do make this higher high, I do have another opportunity to get in. I actually can call another move right now just because we're at the major area of support to where we could retest and continue off. But kind of just going to wait it out and just flow with price action kind of smoothly, especially because it's 5. We got to kind of wait till 6:30 to kind of look for a good setup. But based on this, I definitely think I'm just going to go ahead and close out and just take profit. This move, like I said, like trading this from here mainly to 0% was my main goal. I could ride it up, like I said, to the negative 27% for some more pips, but I like where I'm at with it right now at 132 pips. Like catching moves like this is what trading GJ is all about. And I'm just glad that today could be one of those days based off of structure and just it kind of lining out with the fibs. So remember, Fibonacci is your friend, especially on these time frames. It's going to really kind of help you be patient and get that entry where you have a lot of confluence. And that's what we trade, confluence setups. But again, 15 hours to make 46K is not bad. But time to reel this bad boy in. Let's go to trades, and we're going to close these bad boys out. I low-key, I'm going to leave one. I'm definitely going to leave one. Fuck that. I'm going to close out 30K, though. Hold on. Closed out one of them. This one's the worst entry, so cool. Closed out 30K. 30K profits, still floating. Going to use this cushion to kind of make me more money as it's kind of trending up. Closed out 30K, not bad at all. Feel me? And it's just like that. It was up a total of 46K, and it's that smooth. Now I'm gonna wait. Potentially, it's either gonna continue going up and creating an even higher high, based on how I see it, or we're gonna come back down and create that higher low. We got a smooth trend kind of going on down here, which is what I like for my next setup. So having this trend line really and truly from right around here, which is the last present market structure area, to like right around here. I already have my 3 touches. So I don't know if the market come back. It can come back anywhere around here, and maybe potentially in this defined range right here based on this 30-minute time frame, which can be cool. But we really got to kind of wait for 1 hour to kind of complete, and it shows where it's at because as of right now, it's this. So even if it comes back down here, this is like a golden zone area, but just looking out because it can respect any one of these levels. It's really just watching price action from here. And again, just looking left to get right. So whenever this period decides to settle at where it's at market structure-wise, will be good, but closed out. And it's crazy. I chose the craziest time to close out, too, because I think I would be up more if it wasn't 5. But it is what it is. Like, I'm not tripping over it. Locked in the bag. It's all about just locking in the bag and just taking it easy. So there you go. Locked in 30K. Was floating a total of 46K. Still holding this other move, as you can see. And this is what trading's all about. Thank you guys so much for this, giving me the opportunity of doing these things for you. I really appreciate it. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Like, comment, and subscribe if you like more. And if you caught GJ, make sure you comment that down below as well. It's your boy Juicy Banks, and I'm out of here. Deuces.